Hey everyone, welcome back to See My Review. Today, I've got something seriously exciting to unbox for all the sneakerheads out there, the Balenciaga Runner Multicolor. Just look at this box, sleek, sturdy, and already giving off premium vibes. Let's go ahead and open it up. Wow, first impressions? These sneakers are bold, futuristic, and absolutely stunning. The multicolor design pops immediately. This is not your average sneaker. This is wearable art. What makes the Balenciaga Runner Multicolor so special is how it combines style, comfort, and innovation. This pair takes a daring leap with its unique mix of textures and layered materials. You get that avant-garde aesthetic that Balenciaga is known for, but it's not just about looks. These shoes are built for durability and everyday comfort. Whether you're walking the city streets or hitting a casual meetup, you're turning heads while staying comfortable. The craftsmanship here is top-notch. From the stitching to the overlays, everything is precise and well executed. The color palette is wild, but it somehow works in harmony. You've got bursts of red, blue, white, and gray, all balanced in a way that doesn't feel overwhelming. It's a bold sneaker, but still sophisticated enough to pair with a high-fashion outfit or even elevate a laid-back streetwear look. Thanks for watching, everyone. This was the Balenciaga Runner Multicolor, a bold, futuristic sneaker that's as comfortable as it is eye-catching. Check out the links in the description for the website, contact info, and social media. Go grab your pair while the sale lasts, and let me know in the comments what you think of these. Until next time, stay stylish and keep collecting. If you're a sneakerhead or fashion lover always on the hunt for the latest drops and classic styles, /Sneakershop.org ** is a destination you don't want to miss. This top-tier online store offers a wide selection of high-quality sneakers, streetwear, and fashion-forward accessories that cater to every style and budget. From iconic Jordans and Yeezys to trendy designer apparel, Nice Kicks Shop ensures authenticity in every product they sell, so you can shop confidently, knowing you're getting the real deal. One of the standout features is their affordable pricing, making premium fashion more accessible without compromising on quality. They also offer secure payment options, giving you peace of mind at checkout, and fast, reliable shipping that gets your gear to your doorstep in no time. Plus, their customer service is top-notch, always ready to help with quick responses and friendly support. Whether you're adding heat to your sneaker rotation or upgrading your wardrobe, /Sneakershop.org makes the entire shopping experience smooth, stylish, and satisfying. ***. It's no wonder why more and more sneaker enthusiasts are turning to this site as their go-to source for fresh fits and trusted kicks.